Hey traders, tired of cluttered charts full of lagging indicators? Today you'll learn exactly how to spot price exhaustion using pure price action in under 2 minutes. These simple signals show when a trend is running out of steam and a reversal is coming. Let's go. Signal number 1, loss of momentum. In a strong uptrend, you'll see big, decisive bullish candles. Then suddenly, the candles shrink, upper wicks get longer, and a few red candles appear. Buyers are getting exhausted. The market is literally losing speed at the top, just like a ball thrown in the air slowing down before it drops. Same thing in downtrends at the bottom. Signal number 2, rejection at extremes. Look for long wick candles, pin bars or shooting stars, right at recent highs or lows. Price spikes aggressively higher, then gets slammed back and closes near the open or low. That long wick is pure rejection. Sellers stepped in hard and said no more. These are your highest probability exhaustion candles. Signal number 3, failed breakouts or exhaustion gaps. After a long rally, price gaps higher on the open but can't hold it and reverses sharply. Or it barely breaks a previous high only to collapse right back. No follow-through means the trend has no fuel left. Trade it like this. Wait for a full candle close in the opposite direction for confirmation, enter on the next candle, place your stop just beyond the wick, and target the next major support or resistance level. Keep risk at 1% max. Master these 3 price action signals, and you'll start seeing exhaustion everywhere. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more clean price action content, and comment your favorite exhaustion setup below. Trade smart. See you in the next one.